In the market for a 2006 Holden Commodore. Experience the comfort of driving this well-presented vehicle with a reliable engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, power mirrors. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.